Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you packaging mold pre-delivery water pressure test. Before our molds leave the factory, we conduct thorough water pressure testing. This process helps to maximize cooling efficiency and ensures that the mold's cooling system is performing optimally before shipment. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.